Daddy, imo to gamit. Isa lang imo gamit. Kaya madamo, dari ka lang tao. Ito ba na dati? Ha? Wala talaga. Diba? Ay, din kami.
The university is destined to be one of the best universities of the country. Keep on moving stronger, further, and farther, and you will eventually achieve the dream of a truly impactful and globally recognized university. So I congratulate West Visayas State University for all these achievements, and I hope you will continue this trajectory. Today is a celebration of your achievement, both as a student and as a university. For the graduating students, if you are here, it means that you were able to hurdle the stresses and challenges of deadlines, exams, and most of all, your research. Yes, you did it, graduating students. That is why we are celebrating in this ceremony. To the proud parents, the husbands and the wives, and the children, I share with you the pride and happiness that you feel at this momentous occasion. You deserve all the gratitude for putting up the schedule of your postgraduate parents, siblings, or children. To the West Visayas State University faculty and staff, without your unwavering support to your postgraduate students and the good practice of your craft, these students...
10 are graduating with the degree Master of Arts in Education, major in Elementary Science. 18 are graduating with the degree Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino. 6 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Language Teaching and English. 33 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics. 2 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Physical Science. 6 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Physics. 7 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Reading. 12 are graduating with a degree, Master of Arts in Education, major in Social Studies. 1 is graduating with a degree, Master in Education, major in Administration and Supervision. 2 are graduating with a degree, Master in Education, major in Early Childhood Education. 3 are graduating with a degree, Master in Education, major in Guidance and Counseling. 9 are graduating with a degree, Master in Education, major in Special Education. 8 are graduating with a degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Science Education, major in Biology. 6 are graduating with a degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Science Education, major in Mathematics. 11 are graduating with a degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Education, major in Curriculum Development. 4 are graduating with a degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Education, major in Educational Management. 1 is graduating with a degree, Doctor of Philosophy in Education, major in Psychology and Guidance. 8 are graduating in Diploma in Early Childhood Education. 4 to 5 are graduating in Diploma in Teaching. 7 are graduating with a degree, Masters of Arts in Education, major in Language Teaching, English. 2 are graduating with a degree, Master in School Management. As OIC Dean of the College, I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements prescribed in their respective degrees. In this regard, I strongly recommend that they be conferred with the following degrees: Master of Arts in Education with majors in Biological Science, Elementary Mathematics.
University, I hereby confer upon you, graduates, of your degree, Master of Arts in Chemistry, Master of Arts in English and Literature, Master of Arts in Mathematics, Master of Arts in Social Science, Master in Public Governance, Master of Science in Biology, Doctor of Philosophy in Social Science, Master in Business Management, Master in Hospitality Management, Master of Arts in Education with majors in Biological Science, Elementary Mathematics, Elementary Science, Filipino, Language Teaching in English, Mathematics, Physical Science, Physics, Reading, and Social Studies. Master in Education with majors in Administration and Supervision, Early Childhood Education, Guidance and Counseling, and Special Education. Doctor of Philosophy in Science Education with majors in Biology and Mathematics. Doctor of Philosophy in Education with majors in Curriculum Development, Educational Management, and Psychology and Guidance. Master in Information Technology. Master of Arts in Nursing with major in Nursing Administration. Master in Music Education. with majors in dance and sports, diploma in early childhood education, diploma in teaching, Master of Arts in Education, major in language teaching English, and Master in School Management, with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations!
We now proceed to the imposition of the hood and the distribution of diplomas by the Vice President for Academics, Dr. Maria Asuncion Christine B. Dequilia, and the University President, Dr. Salvito F. Villaruz. This will be facilitated by the no future, however pleasant. Let the dead past bury its dead. Act in the living present, heart within and God overhead. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Let us then be up and doing with a heart for any fate, still achieving, still pursuing, learn to labor and to wait. The mission advances, dear graduates. It does not end here. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your gracious presence. Here ends our program.